Let me take it across to Kunal and Naresh once again and find out what they're making of the market. And Kunal, what chartbusters have you spotted?
So I'm looking at Welspun Corp, an interesting chart, and partly at a point where many of the mid-cap stocks are actually trading at 52-week lows or multi-month lows. This is a stock which is actually perched at a major multi-year high for itself. So the stock over the last few weeks have been exhibiting a very similar pattern where the stock gets into a range. Now, as you can see that the stock in the current context over the last 4-5 months have gone into a range. 650 as a broad support for the stock on the downside, and then closer to 825 as a resistance. But this is not a one-off. You've seen many instances where the stock gets into a consolidative range, and whenever the range gets broken, the stock tends to move up higher, and then the base shifts significantly higher for the stock. We've seen a very similar broad-based range for the stock in the medium-term charts, where the stock traded in a band in 2024, almost from 450 to 600, then a minor band from 600 to 650, and now from 650 to almost 825 thereabouts, which means that a potential break above this 840-50 levels for Welspun Corp could actually take the stock much higher from these levels, and this could probably change the behavior where the resistance of 850 could actually become a support from a medium to long-term play.
Okay, that's Welspun Corp. That's the stock on Kunal's radar. Naresh, what have you identified?
So it's a chart for Aditya Birla Capital. The stock has seen a large correction all the way down from 240 to 50 to 150 levels, made a double bottom around 150, and has made a recovery over the last 2 weeks and is on verge of a short-term breakout and a reversal trade. So out here, it's a risk-reward trade with a stop loss at 158 and a target price of 175 and 200 in the short to medium term.
Right, Kunal, what about your individual stock ideas though?
So I'll go with the financial themes. So two buy calls over there. Bajaj Finance still remains to be a buy with a short-term target of 87.50. Stop loss could be kept at 8,350 mark. And the second is about Jio Finance, a very interesting chart. The stock confirming a breakout of a trend line over the last 3 months. So would look out for targets in the range of 234. Stop loss at 221.
Okay, interesting ideas coming in there. Naresh, what about your stock strategies?
So first is the buy on Power Grid. The stock has given a short-term reversal signal, can continue this move. Stop loss at 265, target price of 290. Second is a buy on UPL, which clearly is a stock which has shown relative strength in the large cap space and sustaining above the breakout point of 600. A good entry point right now could again go back to 650, 670 levels. Stop loss at 590.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.